We can go ahead and put it on my wrist right here. And even though I got the bigger size, I still got to stretch it a little bit to get it over my hand. And we can go ahead and tie it shut right here like this. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, computers, tablets, cases, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is Apple's Trail Loop in its gray and blue colors for none other than my beautiful Apple Watch Ultra right here. I also got this guy in the medium and large size, so without further ado, let's start getting this Apple Watch band out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see on the front, we've got a picture of the watch band itself. Over here in the bottom, we've got the pull tab. Over here on the top, we got nothing. On the side, we've got blue/gray Trail Loop, the name of the band. And over here, we've got 49 millimeters, so the Apple Watch Ultra, and it's in the medium and large size. So let's just start getting this band out of the box right here. We can pull the pull tab, and we can pop the box open like this, and pull the band itself out. We've got some paperwork right here, and let's actually grab the band itself. Here it is. I always find it so silly on these Apple Watch Ultra bands, though, how big the box is for such a small little band. But anyway, let's get my Apple Watch Ultra off my wrist. As you can see, I'm rocking the Apple Link bracelet with it right here. And let's take the Apple Link bracelet off of it so we can put the Trail Loop on and try it out. So I can just go ahead and pull it out right here and pull it out right here. And then we can go ahead and put the Trail Loop right here on. You want the loop over on the top, and you can put this end over here on the bottom and slide it in. And then let's unzip it right here. It's got that nice Velcro going on, and wow, this definitely feels like a thin and light band. We can go ahead and put it on my wrist right here. And even though I got the bigger size, I still got to stretch it a little bit to get it over my hand. And we can go ahead and tie it shut right here like this. And maybe I'll position it a little more this way. That's probably a better feeling right there. And then we can go ahead and Velcro it on. Oh yeah, check this out, folks. So now, first of all, right here, I've got to say, I like how this band is infinitely adjustable because it doesn't have any sort of, holes or clasps or anything. You can adjust it to the perfect size for your wrist, which I think is really nice. I also appreciate this pull tab right here, which makes it nice and easy to adjust it at a moment's notice. However, I will say though, when you're not adjusting it, it does kind of look a bit silly, but we'll see over time, if it kind of gets caught on things like clothing or makes it like maybe, I don't know, come undone easily. But the Velcro right here, or whatever this is, it definitely feels pretty solid. So I don't really know. I think it should probably stay on my wrist just fine. I will also say though, I like this pop of blue right here on the right side of the watch band. As you can see, that's kind of why I wore the blue tie and blue shirt. So I think that kind of makes the band more interesting than just, boring old gray right here. I also like how there's really no jiggle of the outside of the loop right here, the outer loop, because you got two layers on this side, unlike with the Alpine Loop right here, which at least in my initial testing, when you've got it looped over, there's a bit of a jiggle of the outer layer, which is kind of annoying. So I appreciate that this is nice and slim and flush right here and sturdy. I also have got to say, I like how soft this band is. Like right here, this outer part feels nice and soft. So I appreciate that. Right here, it does have a tiny bit of roughness to it just because of that Velcro, but really nothing extreme right there. I also appreciate how the end pieces of the band over here and over here that actually slide into the watch are also, I believe, made of titanium and match the case of the Apple Watch Ultra perfectly right here. I think that's also a very nice premium touch of this band, which I certainly appreciate given this band's price of about $100. So that is definitely on the more expensive side for Apple Watch bands, but it is the same price as all the Apple Watch Ultra bands. So like the Alpine Loop, the Ocean band, they're all that same price. But with that, folks, there's not really much more to say about this Trail Loop band right here. Definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of it. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.